If you're looking for the latest AI software that can revolutionize the way you manage your data, then you've probably heard about SQLFlash AI. In this review, I'm going to share the 7 crucial things you need to know about SQLFlash AI that will help you understand why this new release could be a game changer for your business or project. Before we dive in, if you're new to SQLFlash, you can try it completely free through the first link in the description below. And stick around till the end because I'll share some important insights on how SQLFlash stacks up against other similar AI tools. Now, SQLFlash AI is a next-generation software designed to simplify database management and automate complex SQL queries. It's a massive time saver for anyone who works with databases daily. But why should you care? Well, first off, SQLFlash uses cutting-edge AI technology to assist with real-time SQL query generation. This means it can analyze your data, understand your needs, and automatically write the perfect query to fetch what you're looking for. The best part? You don't need to be an SQL expert to use it. SQLFlash's intuitive interface allows even beginners to get started without writing a single line of code. It automates the process of query writing, optimization, and even troubleshooting common errors. That's one of the reasons it's creating so much buzz. It makes SQL accessible to everyone, from complete novices to seasoned professionals. One of the standout features of SQLFlash AI is its powerful data analysis. It can instantly generate complex reports, uncover patterns in your data, and even predict future trends. Whether you're tracking sales numbers, customer behavior, or any other form of structured data, SQLFlash gives you actionable insights in real time. Another reason SQLFlash AI stands out is its integration capabilities. It connects with a variety of databases and platforms, so whether you're using MySQL, PostgreSQL, or even cloud-based systems like AWS, SQLFlash can plug right into your existing setup. This saves you the hassle of reconfiguring your whole system just to make use of the software. It doesn't just stop at generating queries and reports. SQLFlash AI is also designed to help you improve the performance of your database. It automatically detects slow queries and suggests ways to optimize them for faster results. Think about the time you'll save by not having to manually optimize queries anymore. SQLFlash takes care of all that in the background. The software is also designed with security in mind. With AI-driven encryption and access controls, SQLFlash makes sure that your data is safe from unauthorized access, even as it automates much of the work you typically have to do manually. This is particularly important for businesses working with sensitive data. Lastly, SQLFlash AI is constantly improving. The development team is actively working to enhance the software's capabilities, and regular updates are rolled out to ensure you're always using the latest, most efficient version. This commitment to continuous improvement means you won't be left behind as technology advances. If you're looking to stay ahead in the ever-changing landscape of data management and automation, SQLFlash AI is definitely worth considering. Whether you're a developer, a data analyst, or just someone who needs to handle large databases more efficiently, SQLFlash can save you time and provide powerful insights with minimal effort. Before you go, remember to check out the recommended AI software in the description below. After trying thousands of AI tools, these are the ones that I personally recommend. I've been testing SQLFlash and others like it for quite some time, and I can confidently say that this one stands out in terms of its ease of use and AI-powered automation. So, if you're ready to get started with SQLFlash AI, hit that first link below and enjoy the free trial. Trust me, you don't want to miss this one. Thanks for watching.